All right, here's a picture of children watching the television. Say it fast. Television. Yes, it looks like they're watching a show about maybe a cowboy. I see a horse on the television. Say it fast. Television. Let's see if we can say all these sounds without making a mistake. So everybody think. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Nice job. Think. Get ready. Good. Think. Get ready. Well done. Think. Don't get tricked. Get ready. Nice job saying ah. Last one. Don't get tricked again. We're switching. Think. Get ready. Good job saying Nice job. If you got tricked, practice these again. If you didn't, nice work.